What's up, guys? Welcome back to Empyrion, and this is the last episode of Empyrion Continues, or Continued, whatever it is, I don't remember. Anyway, the reason why is Alpha 9 just dropped, and I think that we should send our beloved base and all of its beloved items and ships. I think we need to send them into a burial to kind of celebrate the new alpha. It's been a long time since they came up with an update. Ooh, hey, see, my driving is just as bad as always. It's been a long time since Elion came out with an update for Empyrion. It's been a couple months, so I've been ready. Okay, I have really been ready, and they've added a lot of stuff. They got a new territory. Go away. No, stop. They got a new territory system going. You got a no build zone. We got a see here, little Xerix derelict base. So we got different enemies and different friends and stuff. So this is not something that I want to do. I don't want to keep continuing this world because every once in a while these updates can cause problems with worlds and all that good stuff. So we're going to go ahead and I think we're going to blow everything up. Sounds like a good parting video to me. This base and this has been a great experience, and this base and all these vehicles have really helped me out, but it's time to do some other stuff now. It's time to play some other games, and what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna jump in straight into Alpha 9. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of weeks, and by that point it should be somewhat stable. I don't want to play this while the game is unstable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into IM menu, GM menu. So now we got God mode and item menu enabled. We're gonna look for explosive blocks. Are these? Yeah. Okay. I think we should start with the light star, shall we? We're gonna just. It's just that time, guys. It's just that time to play a different game. We got lots of stuff to do. 7 Days to Die. I've got several videos on that coming out soon. The thing is, I have all these. The fact that the alpha came out right now kind of actually ruined my upload schedule, because I just actually made a video saying that I was going to stop playing Empyrion because they haven't come out with Alpha 9. And well, as soon as I uploaded it, Alpha 9 came out, so I had to delete the video. Luckily it wasn't live yet, so it wasn't that big a deal to delete. It's just, darn it, just kind of one of those moments. So, alright. It's just kind of, it's like I said, it's just kind of that time. We've been on this world or in this particular deal for, since Alpha 8 first released, and I just feel like it's time, time to try some new games. And like I said, I'm gonna wait till Empyrion has stabilized a little bit before I actually play this. So we got a little bit of time, and I got 7 Days to Die coming out, and that is something you guys definitely don't want to miss. It's me being freaked out 90% of the time, and it's just a great game, and so you guys really need to check it out if you haven't. There's a lot of YouTubers that have done it, or you can even check out some of the I believe the developers have a few videos showcasing the game a little bit on Steam. And they even had a live action trailer when the game dropped. So I mean, it's a great game. So you guys really need to check it out if you haven't already. It's been out for a long time, so I'd assume you guys have probably at least heard of it by now. What do you think, guys? Is that enough explosives? Okay. I've been playing a lot of games lately, so my nope, wrong button. Nope, that's only oh, item menus tab. No, it's not tab. I darn it, I don't remember what it is now. H. There we are. Holy crap. Okay. Wait, did they add some more turrets? No, they didn't. Okay. So they did add. You know, screw that. Let's go with the epic pulse rifle. Alright. Goodbye, Light Star. You've served us well. You know what? Let's go for the debug rifle. It was a catastrophic failure, guys. It was a catastrophic failure. Dude, that's so awesome. I just love doing that at the end of some of these kind of things. So, I don't think we can do it on our... Yeah. But we can do it on our base, so... You know what? Let's put our woodsman in there. It's already torn up some, so... I don't think it's got any fuel. Alright. Now, I don't remember if these explosive blocks actually... I don't remember if they actually damage, like, stuff that aren't... Yeah, okay, so when I updated the game, it also did this. So there's, like, sand everywhere. Dirt from where we had mined it all away, it's all back. So... Just kind of want to... There we go. Sure, that makes perfect sense, right? You know, the thing is, I worked so hard to build this, and here I am blowing it up. But they did change the, I have to admit, they did a good job on the new, some of the new animations and stuff, because that, if, you know, I've done this in the past with, just when I've been done with worlds and stuff, and, you know, it completely, I don't know, it's a lot better than it used to be. I'll say that. Like the animations, the explosions look better, I think. All right, we've got these two buildings to go through. There we go. Now this should blow everything up, but you know, who knows? Might not. It might not. Come on now. You know, heck, what I'm doing is not even a new thing. You know, I've seen other people do this too. It's just a lot of fun. It's kind of a you know, symbol of like, hey, this has been a great world, but it's time to move on. So wait, hold on. Let's now hopefully all that collapses. Just like that. Oh, there it goes, boys. There it goes. And that is the end of our base. We we forgot one, but that's okay. It's okay. We can fix that. And there she goes. Oh man, it's so much fun. Like at the end of the day, if you can do that to your base, just watch it collapse, that is a good time. So dude, these debug right, yeah, see, it didn't do anything to our woodsman. Now we gotta make sure nobody can drive this. Nice to see that the explosions actually hurt you now. Like the stuff just exploding, like the regular electronics, because that didn't used to explode. Goodbye, North Wind. I have a feeling we'll see some North Wind ships again, as well as another faction I've created. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm going to wait a few weeks for the Alpha 9 to kind of be a little bit more stable. And for them to add in a few more features. Because, you know, they do this in, like, spurts. You know, they add the initial release and then they finish adding all the other features in when it's, you know, when they are sure that it's stable enough to hold it. So, you know, hey, it might, that's the whole reason I do that, just so that we have a that way we have a nice and stable game to play. Alright guys, that's gonna do it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to, you know, just stick with the channels. We got, like I said, we got some great videos coming out, and I hope you guys will stick around for those, and I'll see you guys next time.